Phosphor fans, Earl at thelogbook.com here. We are going to play something that I hear is pretty amazing. And it is the 2019 homebrew port of Super Mario Bros. For the Commodore 64. Now, for many years, this is something that people have said, oh yeah, I'm going to do that, and then their enthusiasm would kind of disappear along with any claims that they were, in fact, going to port this game to the C64. How hard could it be, after all? Turns out it was plenty hard, but Zero Page managed to do it. And let's give it a shot. See how it plays. The screenshots look... wow. Okay, that's impressive. Alright, let's give it a go. Okay, the up, pushing up, that's how you jump. There, take that. I am not the world's best Mario player, by the way. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Take that, you Goomba. Okay, so... yeah, wow, it seems like everything is actually there. I wouldn't have blamed them for leaving out, like, secret rooms and stuff. That's impressive. That's really impressive. Go. Oh. Told you I'm really not good at playing Super Mario. And I will apparently spend this entire video proving that. I mean, I know where stuff is, for example. This doesn't mean I'm overall very good at the game. That's how I can tell this is a good port, because it always gets me there too. Now that was kind of a wasted star, but... are you? You're killing me. And I'm returning the favor with interest. And all this on the C64. This is amazing. This is really amazing. Dare I hope for a continue feature? Well, I can hope. Just not going to happen. Ah. If there's anything missing from the game, I am hard-pressed to identify what it could possibly be. Yeah, y'all doing? Kindly come march to your death over here. Aha. But how to get up there? Another time, perhaps. Oops. A little bit paranoid about falling into the pit there. And with good reason. Oh, yeah, everything is there. Wow. How did I die? Time was up. I've never died on that screen. I don't think anyone's ever died on that screen before. That's how bad I am in Super Mario Brothers. That is also how bad I am at Super Mario Brothers. Okay, let's see if I can make it back to the warp zone. Without running out of time and dying. Oh, spinies and everything. So, wow, there you go. I could play this all night and probably not get much further than that because I'm not an expert at Super Mario Brothers. But that is remarkable. On the Commodore 64, no less, a platform 3 years older than the NES. Now, if you're wondering where you can download this and try it for yourself, you probably have to look under some rocks because, of course, Nintendo has C&D'd this out of existence. So, good luck, and I hope you find it because, as always, with a really good port of Super Mario, it's fun even if you're not terribly good at it.